Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we are checking out this really cool colander set. This is something more, I've never seen something this unique. It's really cool. This here pivots so you can pour out the liquids underneath. Also has attachments here at the top so you can use it as like a food slicer. This thing's just super cool. And then it also contains just like a little thing here up top so you can use it just as a lid. Now, in order to use these, you just slide them in here. There's a little groove, fits in, and then you push it down like that. And then you attach it here to the top. It has little grooves on there. Gotta line them up just like that. And boom, there you go. Makes a lid. To take them off, you just pop them off of there. And then in order to get this out on here, you just boom, right there. Make sure I'm looking at the right side. And then same thing here. Pop your food slicers on there. There you go. Now it has this one right here. It also has the larger one right there. And then it has like the one that does slicing. Just gotta make sure you line that up. And boom, right there you go. So overall, really nice set right here. I believe these do come in multiple different colors. Obviously, you can completely separate this if you want to, and just use this as like a big bowl. And then this does attach on here without that needing to be in there. So you can use this as a really nice bowl as well. I think that doesn't quite completely seal in there. A little bit of a gap in there. Not sure if I line this up a different way, if that'll completely cover that gap. Let's see, I think that's the same all the way around. There's a little bit of a gap in there. So if that's a concern, just know that. But overall, this thing's really cool. We love making pasta and stuff all the time, so this thing's going to get used a lot. And if you're interested in something like this, go ahead and check it out.